Hello friends, mathematics is actually fun. But you might be thinking mathematics is made up of so many formulas. And to remember this formula it is so difficult. But today I'm going to make it very easy and simple for you. Yes, we are going to derive the formula and understand the real meaning of it. Let us see this. A circle. What is the area of the circle? You have the answer, pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square. But why this pi r square? Let us find out today why the area of circle is pi r square. For this, we will need a cutout of the circle, scale, marker, scissor and a pencil. Let's make the center by a marker and fold the circle into a semicircle this way. Make one more fold to get a bigger area of sector of the circle, and now later on one more fold. So you have got a triangular portion of the circle. If you open it, you will get marks in this manner. Now take the scale and draw the line across these marks. So I have already done this for you. So you can see the lines in triangular portion where the whole circle is divided into 8 parts. Now let us cut these 8 parts with the help of scissor. Be careful when you are using scissor. You may find a part of the circle to be out just like the pizza slice. In the similar manner, do the cutting of all the 8 parts of the circle. After cutting, we will get 8 equal parts of the circle. Now let's arrange these 8 parts into a rectangle. See, this manner. Oh, where should I fix this? Now this looks like somewhat like a rectangle, but there is a length or a straight line missing. So what I would do is I will cut this into exact half and I will place this such that my almost rectangular figure from the circle has been made. The space occupied by this circle, that is the area of the circle, has been converted into the area of this rectangle. If you see, you might say that it's not a rectangle because there are curved surfaces. What should we do? Let us make some smaller pieces so that this curved surfaces would be minimized. Now you can see that the same circle has been divided into 16 parts. You can go on dividing into further parts to get minimum number of curved surfaces, and eventually if you go on doing it into infinite small pieces, you will actually get a straight line and you will get your complete rectangle. So we have seen that this space occupied by the circle, that is the area of the circle, has been converted into area or the space occupied by the rectangle. But how can we prove that area of the circle is pi r square? Let's do it. Let us understand this area of the circle is equal to area of the rectangle. Area of the circle has been converted into area of the rectangle. Now, what is the area of rectangle? Yes, length into breadth. Now, what is this length made up of? Think about it. It is made up of the circumference of the circle. But it is the whole circumference. Half side is on this place and half circumference is on this place. So, the length of this rectangle is made up of half of the circumference of this circle. Now, the circumference is given by the formula 2 pi r. Now, breadth. Now, what is the breadth of this rectangle made up of in respect to the circle? It is nothing but it is the radius. Yes. So, the breadth is radius. So, if we calculate this further, this 2 will cancel out and we will get pi r square. Yay! We have proved that area of the circle is pi r square. Isn't it interesting? Friends, we have found that area of the circle is pi r square in this simple derivation form. Like this, you can also find out areas of various shapes in this simple manner. So keep watching and subscribe our YouTube channel ISER Pune Science Activities Center for mathematics and science teaching learning. Keep watching and enjoy and have fun with mathematics.